So I'd like to talk about the first-line therapy options for patients who have stage 4 gastric and esophageal cancers. So the standard of care is to give cytotoxic chemotherapy. These are drugs such as Oxaliplatin or fleoropyrimidines. And these are very well-tolerated regimens. I try to make it as tolerable as possible for the patients, given that these are cancers where you're trying to really focus on the marathon, not the sprint. And so the two regimens that I'd like to focus on, the first one is FOLFOX, FOLFOX. This is the IV 5-FU plus Oxaliplatin. This is given every 2 weeks. You will need a mediport for this regimen. This is all given IV. One of the drugs, 5-FU, is given over 2 days through the mediport. It's a slow infusion that you'll get at home through a fanny pack. And I've had patients who have been able to wear this to work, do their daily activities. The other drug, called Oxaliplatin, is given just on the day of infusion. This is very well tolerated. It does cause something called neuropathy, which is tingling in the hands and feet, and that is triggered by the cold. So I always tell my patients to be very careful when they reach into the freezer, hold a cold drink, or even hold a cold drink. The other regimen is called CAPOX, which is a combination of a drug called capecitabine, which is the oral version of the 5-FU drug, plus Oxaliplatin. The capecitabine drug is given every day, Monday to Friday, 2 times a day. And this drug causes something called a hand-foot syndrome, where the palms and the soles can get a little dry and sometimes red, and it can also cause diarrhea as well. Both regimens are very well tolerated.